tonnage?
After racing an M4, this is what happens.
This is what happens. We're here at some residentials. Not even the Beamer Tech Mobile hasn't been operated in a while. The Beamer Tech, obviously. How are you doing today, Mr. Beamer Tech?
Pretty great.
Hurry up so we don't get lost. And I guess we're all meeting at a swing spot that goes by the local terms of Boggington. We got a lot of Beamers. A lot of different cars. Where's Caleb's car?
That's a good bump. I hit that bump twice already.
Hit him with it. Jesus fucking good shit. That's some good shit. That's some good shit. Just take it. What is that, M5? Slap our fucking ass. To drive your car in a nutshell. You can hang. You could not hang. It was a clean car though. It was a clean car. He's done. He's done. Good GG. Here he is. He's back at it.
Upgrade the turbos, full E. Yeah.
Stock turbo, full E.
We actually have to go now.
So hurry up.
Oh my god.
This is definitely
An M4 right now. We're literally like 3 minutes away.
we ran into a small problem.
So what do you gotta do?
I don't know.
We're here. I don't know where, chilling with Chris is Ozzy.
I think I have warranty on this one if there's an O'Reilly's around here. I don't think there's a... Yeah, I can throw it.
Basically, yep.
You ready at your homie's house?
Damage.
After racing an M4, this is what happens.
This is what happens.
So because of that,
hopefully next time. Now I have to push the car to safety.
alright.
Fuck.